are following yoga discipline, starting our program exactly at 10 a.m. What do you think, guys? Yoga discipline is being followed here. Thank you. We respect everyone's time. And that is why we are starting on time. And credit goes to all of you, because it's because of you we have a prompt start. So give it up for you, yourself, guys. It's you. It's you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I am so happy to see so much excitement and enthusiasm about yoga in Chicago. For the first time, the largest International Yoga Day celebration is happening right now at Naperville Yard. One big round of applause for that. Thank you. On behalf of Mindful Meditation Yoga, FIA Chicago, GSA Global Eye Magazine, United Punjabis of America, and Expert Pain Physicians Group, I would like to welcome you all to the 10th International Yoga Day celebration. We are thrilled to have you here to embrace the spirit of yoga and well-being. I extend special welcome to our chief guest, our very dear Mr. Scott Worley, our mayor of Naperville. He is here. We're missing Linda. Our council, Sanjeev Kumar Phelji. Guest of honor, Councilman Paul Leong and Artista Leong. Justice Linda Davenport. Community leaders of Chicagoland, we have them all. Our Council General Somnath Ghoshi will be joining us a little bit later. Thank you very much for taking the time out of your busy schedules and marking this International Yoga Day with your glorious presence. Let us rise together and make this day a glorious tribute to a total well-being. Friends, about 2 billion people are practicing yoga worldwide, which accounts for 1/3 of planet's population. So this confirms how important yoga is in our daily life for our physical health, our mental health, and our spiritual health. Unity in diversity. Our International Yoga Day celebration is a shining example of how yoga brings together people and organizations from all walks of life. This event is being sponsored by Mindful Meditation Yoga, FIA Chicago, GSA Global Eye Magazine, United Punjabis of America, and Expert Pain Physicians Group as sponsor organizations of this glorious celebration of unity and strength. As I mentioned, yoga unites people, and that's exactly what is happening today. There are 18 other organizations participating in this event. I extend my thanks to Seva International, Sant Nirankari Mission, Arya Samaj of Chicagoland, Friends of MP, AN3 Media, Hum, Outland Media, Aina, Hindu Satsang, Hari Om Temple, Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh, KS Foundation, Silver Seniors Group, Dev Darshan Senior Center, Maharashtra Mandal, and Ekal Vidyalay. I am profoundly grateful to all my yoga ambassadors, 60 of them, for their exceptional support in bringing our International Yoga Day celebration to this life. Their unwavering dedication and tireless efforts have not only made this event possible, but have also inspired us all to strive for greater unity and well-being. Yoga ambassadors, please rise. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big round of applause to our yoga ambassadors who made this event possible. So this is it. This is the team. This is the team that made this event possible. Thank you. Thank you. I would also like to. Please be seated. Thank you. I salute you all. I would also like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to students of Seva International, Aparna Rao and Nags Rajaram for their invaluable support with our International Yoga Day celebration. Your dedication and hard work have truly enriched this event, and we are deeply appreciative of your efforts. May I request our Seva team, young students, they're standing right there, to give them a big, cheerful round of applause. It was always my dream to have students get involved in yoga and preserve this powerful ancient science that is a gift from India to the world. So today, we are super proud of you. Thank you. They are not only here today, but yesterday they all were here helping us set up this field with great enthusiasm. So we are very appreciative of that. Younger generation, home away from home, practicing yoga, not only practicing yoga, but helping adults practice yoga. What do you think? Wow. And at this point, I would now like to request Mr. Sunil Shah, Chairman of FIA Chicago, and Dr. Vasavi Chakka, Chief Finance Officer of Global Eye Magazine, to please join me on the dais and address the gathering with their brief remarks.
Good morning and happy 10th International Yoga Day. Thank you, Anu, for the kind introduction. On behalf of our association, FIA Chicago, and Mindful Meditation, would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. This is our FIA and Mindful Meditation Yoga 5th year in a row celebrating International Yoga Day. And we are glad that many of the associations like Global Eye, United Punjabis America have joined us along with Consulate General of India. This year's theme for 10th International Yoga Day is Yoga for Self and Society. It highlights yoga's dual role in fostering individual and society well-being, bringing oneness, closeness, and unifying the community. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning join or unite. That's what we witness today in front of 1,000+ people here who have joined us, and 20+ associations who have unitedly supported us. We would be indebted to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who in 2014 December in United Nations declared 21st June as International Yoga Day. In 2015, got into Guinness Book of World Records twice for the highest attendance of about 38,000 people and about 80 nationalities joining that event. Also, to one individual, I would like to give credit for this great accomplishment, for her tremendous passion and dedication, and that is Anu Malhotra, our FIA Executive Vice President. She has done a great work, and we are truly proud of her. Along with that, also would like to appreciate all our FIA members who have volunteered their time and energy for this great event. We'd also like to invite you all on August 16. There's a banner over here. Can you look at that? Our FIA Association is celebrating 15th anniversary, and it's going to be celebration of Independence Day and going to be FIA Awards Night. We'd like to welcome you all at this most auspicious event on August 16, and looking forward to joining you all. And now, let's have a great time, a great excitement in performing yoga along with all of you. Thank you.
And now, Dr. Vaisavi Chakka, please address the gathering.
Doesn't she look like vision of peace? Namaste to all. Sahana vavatu, sahanau bhunaktu, sahaviryam karavavahai, tejasvina vaditamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. My humble salutations to Honorable Indian Consul General and Honorable Mayor of Naperville, beloved Scott Worley, and all the dignitaries here gathered. And most importantly, almost 1,000 divine souls gathered here to celebrate International Yoga Day. When the entire world is celebrating Yoga Day, it's such a proud moment. For Naperville, we are celebrating at our home and our neighborhood. I would like to invite each and every one of you to join hands, join hearts, and connect with each other at the highest level of divinity here today. This event is made possible because of our beloved Anu Malhotra ji. She brought this to Naperville. This is the second year in a row we are celebrating, and it's not an easy task to put something like this. It takes months and days and sleepless nights. She is the founder of Mindful Meditation, and with that, she is serving the Naperville community and beyond for its well-being, promoting yoga and meditation to help people, mind and body and soul. As you all know, yoga is called Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Means like it just stills the mind and calms you and make you feel peaceful. That is essential for the healthy mind and for the healthy body. So that is the contribution our Anu Malhotra is doing here. Today, I'm here to represent our global magazine called Global Eye Magazine, which goes to 44 million households around the world, 2 million households in Chicagoland. I'm representing our visionary leader and my mentor, our beloved Dr. Vijay Prabhakarji. We call him Dr. VGP. He's not here. He's traveling overseas right now. And he sends his love and peace and best wishes to you all. Yoga, as Sunilji and also Anuji and many have mentioned, is the greatest gift from India to the entire humanity. As Indian American diaspora is increasing in the world, so do their great contributions to make our communities better and better in every field. And as you all contributing to the communities better, in one of the fields, I just need to mention that the civic engagement still need to take leaps and bounds for us to be in the civic field and lead as leaders to represent Indian Americans. With that effort, I ran as a first Indo-American female, I ran for Naperville City Council to set an example for people like you can take that path and run and win and represent our great community. And I really appreciate you giving me this chance to speak here today. And I'm very happy to be here because we are going to connect soul to soul and experience the divinity which Anu Malhotra ji is expecting us to feel. So I conclude this and with a small hymn. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu, samasta sanmangalani bhavatu, loka samasta sukhino bhavantu, shanti, shanti, shanti. May all will be peaceful. The whole entire universe is peaceful. And peace, peace, peace. Thank you.
Wow, what a beautiful message. Adding serenity and calmness to this Yoga Day celebration. Thank you, Dr. Vaisavi Chakkaji, for inspiring all of us to enhance our yoga practice, to enrich our lives and uplift our souls. So with that, I just noticed we've been joined by Alderwoman of Aurora City, Shweta Bate. We welcome you. Thank you. When our leaders, politicians, they come and encourage us, inspire us through their participation in such programs that are devoted to enhance our well-being, then somehow the energy gets manifested. So thank you so much. As I mentioned before, we are honored to have our mayor, Scott Worley, among us as our chief guest. We welcome Mr. Mayor again and would like you to please join us on the dais. And for those of you who don't know, the First Lady Linda, she's not here, but she is also a yoga teacher and she shares the same enthusiasm as I do about yoga. So we are missing her today. But ladies and gentlemen, I give you our very dear Naperville Mayor, Mr. Scott Worley.
Namaste. And welcome to Naperville. We are so excited to see you here today. My hope in your coming out this morning is that you take a lot of the chaos and the fear and the unknown of this world, bring it into this room and share amongst each other the kind words, emotions that you'll go through this yoga experience and walk out of here refreshed, knowing that when you come into a place like this and we can leave it all behind and you can re-energize and walk out with a better spirit, a better attitude, and a symbol in your head that we can come together as different people from all different walks of life and leave as friends with something in common. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to our community. I wish you a wonderful experience today. God bless.
Camera, please. Sir.
Always being so supportive of our community events, especially events like yoga, which is not happening as much as we would like to see it happening. But what an inspiring message to unite towards our total well-being. So we thank you and we truly appreciate having you here among us. And now I would like to request, I'm really excited that we are celebrating this International Yoga Day in collaboration with Council Journal of India, Chicago. Our ambassadors are here. So I would like to take this opportunity to invite our counsel, Sanjeev Kumar Phail ji from Consulate General of India, Chicago, to please come and join me on this dais and give his brief remarks.
Thank you, Anuji. Good morning to everyone. It's an honor to be invited to the International Day of Yoga. First of all, I would like to thank Mindful Meditation Yoga, FIA Chicago, GSA Global Eye Magazine, United Punjabis of America, Expert Pain Physician Group for inviting me to the International Day of Yoga. I would also like to welcome Naperville Mayor Scott Worley, Naperville Councilman Paul Leong and Artista Leong, Justice Linda Davenport, Alderwoman City of Aurora, Ms. Shweta Baid. We also have among us former NBA player, Mr. Amal McCaskill, community leaders of Chicago who have gathered here to attend this wonderful yoga event. Yoga promotes holistic well-being, mental peace, and emotional balance with asanas, pranayam, and meditation. I look forward to an invigorating yoga session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sanjeev Phail ji. It is so wonderful. Yesterday, we were celebrating International Yoga Day in Navy Pier, sponsored by none other than our Council Journal of India, Chicago, with a backdrop of Navy Pier. What a beautiful celebration it was yesterday. So we applaud them for hosting an amazing, amazing International Yoga Day in Chicago. And here we are. They are inspiring us by collaborating with us to spread the message of yoga. And we are celebrating this event 2 days in a row. So celebrations continue. And now, let us inaugurate the morning in a very traditional way by lighting the auspicious lamp. I would like to mention that among us, we also have our councilmen, Naperville Councilman Paul Leong and Artista Leong here. So I would like to invite them to please join me in the dais. Artista and Paul. Justice Linda. Please join us. It's really a feeling of immense joy to have you among us, taking time out of your precious schedule to be with us. Please come on the other side. Shweta Baid, Alderwoman for City of Chicago, please join us. Kathy Throt, Officer, Global Eye Magazine, and Executive Vice President, American Multi-Ethnic Commission, welcome. FIA Chicago President, Pratibha Jarrett. FIA Past President, Vinita Gulabani. Bharat Malhotra, Mindful Meditation Co-Founder. Dr. Ajit Pant, our Mindful Meditation Yoga's Inspirational Director. Please join me on the dais. Vipul Shrivastava, Mindful Meditation Yoga Bhakti Yoga Director. Dr. Jyoti Kalra, President, Sant Nirankari Mission. Atul Wahi, आप उधर चल जाओ. Atul Wahi, President, UPA, United Punjabis of America. Mr. Om Dhingra, former Chairman, UPA. Mr. Brij Sharma, Chairman, UPA. Mr. Hitesh Gandhi, past President, FIA. Shri Guru Sami, she's always there to support us. Shri. Sita Bala. Secretary General, AMEC, USA. Dr. Nitin Malhotra from Expert Pain Physicians and Dr. Neil Malhotra. They are big sponsors for today's event. Young generation is coming forward to support Yoga Day. How beautiful it is. I sincerely hope and pray. Dr. Neil Malhotra, is he here? I sincerely hope and pray that the lighting of this lamp can dispel the darkness of negative forces and spread the light of greater peace, greater joy, vibrant health, and prosperity in humanity. Can we have the mantra, please?
Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kurme Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kurme Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kurme Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kurme Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kurme Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kurme Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kurme Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kurme Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
Welcome to our very dear Mayor, Mr. Scott Worley, who's always supporting our community events. And also Sanjeev ji, we have a bouquet of flowers for you too. Please come. फूल हमारी श्रद्धा हैं, फूल हमारी भावना हैं और इन फूलों से हम स्वागत करते हैं अपने बहुत ही dear, we say Atithi Devo Bhav, बहुत ही dear guest of today, Mr. Scott Worley and our Counsel General Sanjeev Kumar Phalji. We welcome you. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's been a joy having you. Thank you, Dr. Ajit Panchi.